In 2026, one AI tool quietly created more millionaires than college ever did. And most people still don't know how to use it. Meet Alex. Alex did everything society said was right. Good grades. College degree. Stable job. Yet every month feels the same. Bills. Stress. No real progress. Alex isn't lazy. Alex is trapped in an outdated system. Trading time for money. One paycheck at a time. One night, Alex notices something strange online. People aren't flexing cars. They're flexing dashboards. AI dashboards. Automations. Income while sleeping. Here's the truth most schools never teach. AI doesn't make you rich by replacing your job. It makes you rich by removing time from the equation. AI can work 24/7. No breaks. No salary. AI can write content. Answer customers. Design products. Run marketing. Analyze data. Tasks that once required teams. Now handled by systems. Alex starts small. No startup. No investors. Just one AI tool. And the internet. The first $100 feels unreal. Then $500. Then $2,000. Not viral. Not lucky. Repeatable. Most people fail here. Why? They treat AI like a toy. Alex treats AI like an employee, while others scroll. AI works. The new rich aren't smarter. They're leveraged. In the AI economy, skills beat degrees. Systems beat hustle. Speed beats perfection. The next decade will reward people who build systems and punish people who ignore them. The choice is simple. Learn to control AI or compete against it. Freedom isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. If you want money, AI, and freedom explained simply, subscribe. Because the future won't wait.